Good day everyone. I am here today to demonstrate to you how electrons from object to object flows. So as we all know, Arabian investigators discovers this static electricity. Static electricity is an electricity that is believed to be stationary. From the word itself, static electricity, it rests in every object. And here I will demonstrate to you how this electron in an object flows or transfers from one object to another in a form of electricity. So now, in this PhET simulation app, we will know how these electrons flows. So we have here a person. Under the person is a rug, and in the door is a metal doorknob. So you will see here as a rug, the foot of a person in the rug, there's an accumulation of electrons, and these electrons will eventually transfer to the metal doorknob. How does it happen? Why does the electrons that it's accumulated to the human body from the rug flows to the metal doorknob? So, as we all know, in every object there is a different level of how fast or how many this or how fast this object gains an electron. So here, from rug, we can clearly see that the human body gains more electrons compared to the rug, and the accumulated electrons from the body will eventually or transferred or flows to the metal doorknob. It is because the metal doorknob is or gains superiority in gaining an electron. So as we rub this foot of a person into the rug, the electrons from the rug transfer to the human body, and the electrons from the human body transfer to the metal doorknob. Why does it happen? Because as we rub this foot of a person in the rug, there is something that we call friction, and this friction triggers the transfer or flows of electrons from the rug, and these electrons is attracted to the metal doorknob. That is why it flows or transfer to the metal doorknob in a form of electricity. So now we have it. With this PhET simulation app, we can clearly demonstrate and know how electrons transfer from one object to another in a form of electricity. Thank you guys for listening and watching. Hope I will see you again in our next video, and I am hoping you a blessed day. Thank you.